everybody, it's Kat with Spirit12.com, and we're watching football, and these guys are wearing football jerseys. Go ahead and tell us what you're doing here today.
Well, we're Seahawks fans. We're bigger Sounders fans, and honestly, we didn't have any Seahawks gear, but we had to support Seattle, so we thought we'd wear our Sounders gear.
Yeah, a little birdie told me that you guys like the Cowboys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, my heart is broken, but at least you're rooting for the Sounders, right?
Exactly.
So we were just talking about the dichotomy of football and football. Go ahead and tell us your names.
I'm Colin, and this is my daughter, Ani.
Ani, nice to meet you guys. So football,
Yeah.
which one do you like?
Well, I'm a big Seahawk fan.
Yeah?
I've been a Seahawk season ticket holder since, well, the whole Quest Field thing. So
Oh, wow.
I guess 10 years, 9
Yes.
years, something like that. But I love soccer. So,
Yeah?
and
Can you love them both?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite?
Soccer.
Soccer? How come?
I'm in it.
You play soccer?
She's starting her first year this year.
Oh, high five up here. Come on now.
Yeah.
But I'm here with Chris, and she's got the football and the football. So are you an avid soccer and football fan?
Not super avid. My fiance is more avid than I am, but he's gotten me into it, so I watch it with him, and we share it.
So it's kind of cool because you get to watch soccer during summer, and that bleeds right on into
Exactly.
football.
It just kind of rolls right on over. So
So do you ever get the two confused when you're talking about football in your house?
Nope. I always refer to it as soccer. I know it's English football, or European football over regular football, but
Well, football or
problem.
football. We're supporting our teams out here.